Go.
Day 2, forest school assessment. We're looking at the acronym PASS for today. The first one is the parts. We're going to begin with the axe. The parts of our axe, we have the handle, we have the head, we have the sheath that covers our cutting edge. When you are arriving, you hold it down by your side, and we keep it down by our side with the blade facing away from us, so if we tumble, the blade goes into the floor. We then look at the safe use. So you leave the sheath on until you are down at your cutting station. For this example, I would be cutting a piece of wood. I remove the sheath, and when I'm using an axe, I'm going to be cutting on the outside of my leg to protect the main arteries that run on the inside of our leg. In doing so, I don't need gloves because skin is the best sort of grip. So if I'm using it, I'm turning the axe blade away from myself and I use it appropriately. If I was using the axe on its own, I would put a glove on the non-tool hand. Safe storage and putting away, place my sheath back onto my tool appropriately and put in a locked toolbox. My second tool is going to be my fixed blade knife. As you can see, it's in its sheath. To pass it, you pass it with the sheath or you pass it with the handle. As you do so with the axe, you pass with the handle also. Then your arrival, you would arrive with it round your neck on a piece of paracord or rope so everybody knows you have the knife and it is in a safe position. Similarly, when you are using the knife, you find your cutting station or cutting block that you're going to be using during your process and procedure. Take it out the sheath and place the sheath down by the side of you. Again, we don't need gloves for this. We're going to place our cutting edge onto the piece of wood and we use the other hand to use the mallet. Once finished, or if the blade gets stuck, we can push away from ourselves. Safe storage, back in the sheath, back round your neck until you get to your safe locked toolbox and place back in your box.